Hello, people. I am Kitty Cat. That is my name when I put the comment, so just call me Kitty Cat. Okay, today I just woke up. I'm wearing pajamas. Yeah, and I see people doing the ice challenge, chubby bunny challenge. So I thought, hey, why don't I just do like a taste test with these. There is Hawaiian Punch. What flavor is this? Fruit Juicy Red. Yeah, that is in my first water. And I also have ice here because I like my drinks cold. The second tasting is Kool-Aid Tropical Punch. And the last tasting is Cherry Kool-Aid. Now I'm going to squirt them in each of the waters. I'll let you see it. The redness. Oh yeah. And then they're all red, so. And I'm going over here. Let's move it in front. We all like it when it's in front, don't we? Okay. Now that we have our things, let me get the mixer. Mix. If your mom has one of these, make sure to get permission from her first. And my mom lets me use it if I wash it off first. Get permission from her first and make sure to wash it off. It's because my mom uses this for her coffee. Going to wash it off. Away! Oh yes, and by the way, this is a no-cut video. So, now we put these aside. I know, actually, we put them in front so we know which ones are which. So they kind of all look the same. TV. I'm going to try this one first. Pretty good. Now we're going to put 2 or more ice cubes in here to make it cold. We're going to retry them just in case they taste different. Okay. Yeah. Now we're going to try this one, the Tropical Punch. Not bad. 2 ice cubes in here. And now for this one. Hi, Tinker. That's my dog. This one tastes a little weird. I'm gonna put ice cubes in that. Hopefully that'll taste better. Guess what? I dyed my dog. And look, he's red. Yay. And I have another dog, but I can't pick him up. Sorry. Now, join me for the part 2. And after these cool down, I'm gonna also put them in the fridge. After these cool down, cool up, or whatever, after they get colder, we are going to taste them again to see if it's different. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in the fridge. Bye! I should probably stop the camera.